This is my beautiful cousin Maria, and she got a new car today, so let's go check it out. No, that's... This is the car.
So it's a Volkswagen Tiguan 2025.
This is the inside. It's so beautiful. And she got a Sony Angel. Well, she got two. This one and...
Ellie has it.
And can I see the Sony Angel? Real quick, please. The people want to see. Right, guys? Okay, so can we please see it?
Yeah.
It's really cute. It's a strawberry one. Okay. She's going to get it. This is the other Sony Angel.
Come on. To the front, all the way to the front. Okay.
Look up.
There's a 10 out of 10 because it's really shiny. It's kind of the latest model, and the inside is so warm. It's 20 out of
20. Don't touch anything. Just
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you liked my cousin's car. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification button. Bye.